Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center and I'm thrilled to be in the colony at 20 Mile and I'm with my good friend Lisa of David Weekley Homes. You all know Lisa Daniel, she's amazing and she's going to show us this beautiful model home. To own a model home in the colony of all places, what an amazing opportunity. So thanks for having us, Lisa.
Thank you so much for being here. I love it when Heather and Carlin come out to see our gorgeous homes, and I'm particularly excited to show off this fabulous Avondale. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, about 3,500 square feet. Great front porch, as you can see.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful entryway. So you come in, and this is just the start of one really grand home
for you, Carly.
Yeah. And Heather, this home is going to have 2 things that you always love. So in particular, it has a great laundry room and a master closet, but we'll get to that later. Right now, we're going to show off this great bedroom. So often as a guest bedroom or a private bedroom up front, it does have its own bath, a full bath up front. And gorgeous tile and details in here. So of course, with the model home, you're going to get great details. Lots of trim work, specially designed homes, beautiful floors, and look at this fabulous study. Look at all the trim work that's in here.
That's what I was going to say. Look at the attention to detail and why, because this is a model, you really are going to have a top of the line home here in the colony. And when you go through this home, I cannot get over how breathtaking it is and everything David Weekley Homes did. But let's show this too. I just love this. You've got a powder room in the front. You've got a coat closet next to the powder room, but then you have a different coat closet over here.
Another coat.
So the point is you have tons of storage all just towards the front of your home, which is terrific.
And absolutely tons of storage throughout the home, but certainly the main focus areas are really stunning. So you've got this fabulous dining room, plenty of room for formal dining furniture. Of course, we have the well-placed windows, so it allows for furniture placement. As you can see here, you have a credenza or a buffet table, and then you've got all this natural light flowing into the home. The kitchen is really spectacular.
Oh, and you have to get that backsplash as we get to the kitchen too, because it's beautiful.
And look at the detail in that backsplash. It just looks so intricate and so elegant. And then the countertops are amazing. So gorgeous quartz countertops. It's a waterfall, so they do go all the way off. So you've got lots of seating here. We have 4 bar stools here, but you could easily add a couple more. Lots of space here.
Absolutely. It's just beautiful. And Carlin, can we get that waterfall look? Can you
Yep,
back up
yep,
really
yep.
quick? I just want to show people, like right here. This is what Lisa was talking about. So it's like you have a piece of art as you enter your kitchen on the side, which is beautiful.
It really does look artistic. That's a great word for that. And then of course it opens up to the enormous family room. So very open floor plan, as you will always see in a David Weekley home. And look at the space you have in here. And again, you've got great details. Smooth walls in here, beautiful trim work. I just love how the designers did the paint on the crown molding. And then you've got these great sliders out to this magnificent outdoor living space.
Yeah, let's go out here. And we are on a preserve lot here in the colony. And also a fun thing to tell you, we're actually towards the front of this neighborhood. So what is near the front of this neighborhood is the Colony Park. And that's the colony's own HOA park. And it has a kids playground, a dog park. So if you do have children or if you have a pet, you are very close within walking distance to that amazing homeowner association amenity.
It is amazing. And then we even have the colony pool, the whole 20-mile post. There's so many amenities, just a hop, skip, and a jump nearby. And of course, all the amazing Nocatee amenities.
I mean, is this beautiful?
It's
I would just
stunning.
want to sit out here all day. And also, Carlene,
Yep.
right here, if you get towards the entrance, you know, you've got this hard roof over here. And so if it's raining, you have plenty of space to still sit outside, eat, socialize, but yet you're not getting rained on, which is just beautiful.
Yes, you can enjoy this outdoor living space year-round. And like Heather said, even in the rain. The great fireplace out here is spectacular, so on cool evenings, it's a perfect place to sit outside. You've got the full outdoor kitchen, And this preserved lot is amazing.
And it's a huge yard. Always difficult to see on camera, so when you do tour the colony at 20 Mile and see this David Weekley model, and we are one of 3 models, so we are in the dead center of the 3 models. This backyard you can fence in if you chose to. You could put a pool in if you wanted to, but the view is just beautiful looking at that natural preserve. But again, a big space for your dogs to run around if you had it, your children to run around, or you to run around. If you want to get some exercise in.
Most definitely.
Okay, now we're going to go to one of my favorite rooms in this home.
Mine to you, Heather. I just love, love, love this master bedroom. It is quite magnificent. So just look at the size. I don't know if it really is captured fully on the camera.
It's tough to see on camera.
But it's just huge. And
It
of
really
course, details. You've got recessed lighting in the tray ceiling. You've got this great trim work. I love the paint details, the trim around the door. Gorgeous, well-placed windows, just letting in tons of natural light. So you can not even have any light on in here, and during the day, it's just lit up so beautifully.
And what's great is because of this room was not cut out like a perfect square, and how y'all pushed this area out right here where I am, Carlene, if you'll show this, it's just giving you more storage space. So this room is a lot bigger than the traditional master bedrooms we do go in some of the previous David Weekley homes. So
Absolutely.
I really love this floor plan.
Well, this does make for a very luxurious master suite. So you can see this master bath is really fantastic. So you've got this gorgeous tub where you can really relax. It really lets you.
It is like a spa in here, and look at all the drawers, the cabinets.
The storage space is unbelievable.
It's incredible. And then I love these little shelves. You put towels here, but then look at this. Now, y'all made it as a trash can, but this is kind of unique. There's a baby one behind it. So I said this could actually be used for your delicates, your hand washables in here. So you have 2 different spots. This beautiful cabinet over here in the corner. So just plenty of space.
Yeah.
Okay, now this closet, y'all. Now, we have been in previous David Weekley homes with other side agents like, Terry, for example, where we have screamed our heads off. But this, no. Okay, that's great. Okay, whatever. Go over here. Okay, I'm going to say out of every David Weekley home I have seen now in Nocatee, this is the biggest closet I've been in.
It is the very biggest closet that I have ever been in my life. It is the biggest closet I have ever seen. So you've got tons of storage space in here. Really, you've got 2 sides. So of course that would be his side.
Yeah, that's but I mean, this is an incredible space. And to be very honest with you, if you moved into this home, and I'm going to just throw this out, if you had a newborn, and people want their child nearby, I know this sounds crazy, but honestly, y'all, this is bigger than some of the bedrooms, secondary bedrooms that we see in houses.
One more look.
You could really make this space, have a little area where your little one could sleep if you needed it and you didn't want it in the bedroom with you. And again, Carling, I know you're laughing at me saying all that, but seriously, it's just such a huge space.
Well, I have to tell you, there is a buyer who built this home and did put the nursery in there for their newborn.
Okay, see?
So that's a great idea.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Now, as we walk over, because we're going to go into another amazing area, but I just want to reiterate what Lisa was saying. We've got right down the road 20 Mile Park, which is the pool, dog parks, playgrounds, green space. It's for our Nocatee residents, but those living in 20 miles, such as the colony, do benefit from it. And there's a sidewalk the entire way. And also reminding people that in 20 Mile, you have a sidewalk the whole way to the beach. You can walk and ride your bike to the beach. So in turn, you're about 4.5 miles total.
It's so great.
Okay, y'all, this drop space.
Stop and drop.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Again, look at just the back, right here, this wood. It's just so beautiful. But everyone, this laundry room is now voted one of my favorites.
It's hard to beat this laundry room. Look at this. You've got the sink. You've got tons of counter space, great cabinet space. The built-ins already come with it, so you've got hanging room there too, which is really nice and fancy hanging places, and a full-size refrigerator.
That's the thing. So this laundry room can fit a full-size refrigerator, plus a washer and dryer, plus a sink, plus a folding station. That is why it is now voted one of the best laundry rooms in Nocatee.
It is.
Okay, this is an amazing space. if you have kids, this could be, you know, a video game area. You could turn it into, to be honest with you, I would probably turn it into a homework area. But if you're an empty nester, this could actually be a cool bar area. You could really dress it up and display, you know, your nighttime drinks in here.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it's a great space.
Absolutely. And then you've got 2 bedrooms over here. Great size bedrooms. And look at the trim work, the shiplap on the walls. All the window coverings come with this home. It is for sale. If I neglected to say that, this home is for sale right now. So a lot of this detail, this decor, is included in this beautiful home, and it's probably my dream to actually own one of these model homes.
It's true, and remember, because this is a model home in the colony, no one is going to have this home. Even if they built this floor plan, no one is going to have it dressed up the way a model home is dressed up. So I'm very excited. I know it will sell very quickly.
I know it will too.
Having mainly the living space on the first floor, I just want to remind people that is a huge selling point. And as we walk up the stairs to one of the most incredible lofts, because that doesn't even give it justice, because it's the most amazing space you'll see. I do want to also mention 20 Mile Post. So 20 Mile Post is specifically the amazing agility course for small dogs and large dogs. And that is literally, I don't know, half a mile, if at most quarter mile away. So that's a huge thing. So if you do have pets, this is an incredible location to live in Nocatee.
It is an incredible location, and of course this home makes it even better. So you're really enjoying a luxurious space all throughout the home. This is a fantastic bonus room. So built-in cabinet space. You've got a closet for games. You've got tons of space. You can see how huge this sectional sofa is. Look at the great closet space. Your games,
this is amazing.
linens. You can have a little bar up here. You can have a full bath. So great full bath with nice shower heads even upstairs.
So people can sleep up here, and that's important to know. And again, a huge space. But we have to just show this.
More storage.
It's just amazing storage. And it is, you know, it's cool in this space. So I want to remind people, so you can put your luggage in there or whatever else you want to store. But this home is truly a dream. I want to remind people, what floor plan, what model are we in right now?
So this is the Avondale. It is the Avondale model. It is for sale. All 3 models are for sale right now. Yes, this one is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 2 retreat spaces, fantastic outdoor living space.
I want this house, Lisa. We're going to just split it. 'Cause, you know, I mean,
I think there's enough room for us.
Carling, you're in it too. So I want to remind people, we are with David Weekley Homes, part of the Nocatee family since the very beginning. We are in our 12th year here in Nocatee. The 4th best-selling community of the decade, by the way, is Nocatee. So please call Lisa Daniels today, David Weekley Homes, here at the Colony at 20 Mile. Bye, guys.
Bye.